did like 3 times.
1,000.
I'm getting old.
Why am I on camera right now?
Do you want to put a shirt on?
No.
I'm getting old.
What's that? Alright, I got 3 options right now.
Here.
Start twerking, praising the Lord. You can't. Damn.
Come on. Come on. We don't have all day. Come on. You don't even know what it is.
Oh, it's my pissing.
All right, come on. Can you come on? My arm is getting tired. Here you go. Let's go outside.
Oh.
That's what you saw? Part of the Nissan game.
That was smooth.
Here you go. Here. Come on.
Hold on.
Oh, God.
I gotta let this sink in.
My-
It's not even my
I don't
birthday.
even know what it looked like.
I know it could
Is
be.
that Eric?
It could be a bucket with 4
It's not
wheels.
even my birthday.
Yeah. So don't look at me on your birthday.
I'm going to. That's your fault.
No, this is it. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, honey.
What is this?
Come on, let's go outside.
Psych me.
Ah!
You don't even know where it's at.
I don't.
Let's go. I'm not running. You know, something light. Something light for my wonderful son. You know what I mean? A little cool.
Whose is this?
It's yours. Happy birthday. Early birthday.
Do you see what's on top right there?
No. Two-seater though?
Yeah.
Two-seater, like, that's crazy. You're very good at, like, keeping secrets.
Very good. Over a
My whole
week.
life.
A whole week just sitting on. You've been getting on my nerves and everything. For real.
You know I told you yesterday or the other day when we was on the phone?
Yesterday.
I told you. What I said.
You ain't catch
I
it.
need you to find Alex a car.
Like Michael.
You said after my cow.
No, before that.
You were like, I know you got my cow. I'm like, what do you mean got my cow?
Right.
And you didn't even
I'm
make a
like-
face or nothing.
That's why I switched up because I realized.
Push start. You know, something light, you know. Got the sunroof.
What is going on? This is not real.
Happy birthday. Very proud of you. You're a
The
good kid.
craziest thing just happened today. Story time. We had practice. They're like, yo, you trying to go get a size chicken? I'm like, I got put together this couch. He's like, bro, you got your mom wheel? Probably, but I got put together the couch. When you gonna get your own car, bro? Swear to God. That happened today. I'm not gonna tell them about it. Just pull up to me.
Bro, that Nissan game.
I gotta take a lap.
Well, your brother, you'll have to put the tags on it and everything. Well, just go around, but all right. Bye, honey.
Can't get in this black house.
Roll down your window. Is it? You're not even going. Well, bye.